So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and finally the Hacktoberfest event is live. So here, first of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here Hacktoberfest is live now. Here you can see that all these videos are already available, how you can register for Hacktoberfest, how you can start to just contribute for the Hacktoberfest. So if you want to register, you can just watch it over here. Now here I am sharing one repository. Basically, I'm not making this video longer so that you are able to go step by step. Otherwise, it will again become of 15 to 20 minutes. So here, basically, first we have to simply register, how to register for the Hacktoberfest and what is the criteria. You should watch these two videos first of all, and then we'll move forward to the main video. So many of you are asking about how we can contribute to a repository. We are unable to find the repository. Can you help? So here I have made a simple repository for all of you guys. So here simply what you need to do, here I have made a sample repository. Now here what kind of contribution you can do? Here multiple contribution you can do. You can do one thing here for no code. Basically people who don't know about coding, here you can see this readme file is there. It is unorganized. Also there are some spelling mistakes too. So how you can correct it? First thing you have to do, first of all you have to create a GitHub account. Okay. After that you have to simply fork the repository. Okay, simply fork the repository and then simply click on create fork. So now once the fork is created, here let me tell you what we have to do. It's taking some time, so wait for it. Now here first thing you have to check that first of all that here you can see the readme file, there are some issues. Okay, so here you can just click on this readme.md file, and here you can see all these are unorganized. So I'll show you an example basically. Okay, here you can see that for example the completed spelling is incorrect. So here you have to simply click on this completed. Okay, you have to just check all the documentation. You can improve it, you can add more emojis, make it interactive. Also like this you can just make it a markdown format. Okay, here you can see, if you see the preview, it's just simple, not arranged, not cleaned, and basically just unordered manner. So here simply you have to just do all these things and click on commit changes. Once you have made the modification, you have to simply click on commit changes and just click on commit. Now once you click on commit changes, here you can see the file is updated. Now here you have to just click on this, and from here you see this one contribute. Okay, now here you have to simply click on contribute and just click on open pull request. Now here you have to just mention whatever changes you have made, like what features you have added or you have improved the documentation. After that you have to simply click on create pull request, and after that all the things need to be done by the maintainers over here. Okay, so I am maintaining this project, so if you just create a pull request, basically genuine one, then I will surely accept it. Also I'll add some more repositories, basically things in this repository only. So keep checking. I'll recommend to participate this program, and it will help you a lot. Apart from this, if you want to learn about coding, okay, the code issues. So here you can see one index.html file is here. Basically it is a sample notepad. Okay, so now here, if you want to modify the sample notepad, again you have to just click on contribute. Basically, first of all, you have to open the file, or just you have to just check it, and you can improve. You can add basically the to-do list, or here you can add the basically just like an in normal notepad. Here we have options like save, zoom in, font, etc. You can add in a better manner, and you can just modify this file, or you can just improve this file, and then you can just do a screen recording and upload it, or you can just add screenshots also. But I recommend screen recording. You have to simply come to the pull request page. Let me show you once again. I think I have not created the pull request, so let me show you. So here you have to simply come over here and just create a pull request. Okay. After that, you have to just in the description, as I said earlier. Yeah, I think here it is. Let me show you. If it works, I'll show over here. Okay, it goes here. So there is some issues. So basically, there only you have to just update the description and screenshot. And basically, I'll review it and just merge it. If I found it helpful. Okay, here you have to simply click on. Once you have modified the files, you have to open the pull request as I said earlier, and simply here you can see here, wait for a second. Actually, a lot of people are contributing in the Hacktoberfest, so it's taking some time for the GitHub to work. So basically here we have to just add a description over here, whatever task you do. Okay, so make sure to check it out. This was the basic information. And here, if you want to check the swags, whatever swags we have got, you can just see this unboxing videos also. So this is the main thing I wanted to share about the event. I hope it clears your doubt. And if you have any query, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Currently, it's still loading, so I'm just ending the video over here. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll share the GitHub repository, basically this repository, in which you have to contribute in the description. So do check it out.